talk. You know, can't just me.
Oh,
Where I send you go?
Hey.
Just
I just forget to. If you see there, that place in market's not full, reach that place. Everywhere full. Now where I sit down put now, so the man take call me. He just call me. I never ever start to the talk. And so the man just they tell me everything we just there for our house.
Really?
Even the name where your mama give you.
Oh boy.
Measure.
That prophet, I need to know her. I need to go see her. Make her go still use my eye. See. Abi? I need to go see her.
Yes, so darling. Yes, you need to listen. Only the prophet say my bring African time come next time.
That one not be plugged in, huh? Yeah, that one not be plugged in. Though, give me food, make I eat.
Okay.
My grandfather, you know the work.
Okay, I wish you work with that one now. Yeah, basically don't tire.
Yeah, get up, me work, you press button.
Yeah, which button press press. My person don't tire now. So you they press. And I don't know when you press all those buttons. My guy no level. My person you press. I got nothing they fall out. Wait, how many years person want continue press, we nothing they fall out. Me I don't tire, I will not be loud. Don't tire for all those things so.
Why you tired? God, get up, me press button. No food for lazy man.
You know how many years it did now person don't press this laptop. But with you, call one net, I never fall out too. I got see small children when you started yesterday. I got you don't see him. You don't see that guy go back to Venza that day. You don't see him. I can see all the now, see Venza, see Lesos, all of them they bring Lesos come. I got what thing? Me I not tired now. Person you they no level. Person don't tired now. You supposed to understand now. I don't tired.
Work. Say nothing good come easily. So you need to work on.
Guy, you not feel understand. I got person who constantly go town now. You constantly small boy, constantly use money. My guy big now. Me person do things now. You try understand what they talk now. My guy not be to the carry the laptop. No level. My guy no level. I dey tell you, no level. I don't tire for all those things. So not be lie.
My guy, I decided to talk about so. I decided to just talk about so. We just say the bad Venza. Now work the work when they take bad Venza. Huh? They say that so they all sit down, foot down. Now I take bad Venza. You go work.
My guy, don't be lie. I'll tell you, and you self, you do see anything, you not any person. My guy, how you do working? You let me here. My guy, I didn't buy me. Forget. Let's just in wait on it. They put something just one thing, my guy. Don't be lie. My guy, not to find solution. More sit, my guy, more do our own. Forget. More do our own. More just try more do things. My guy, things will just go well. At least we just, my guy, me want use Venza. You don't want use Venza. You don't know how to they subscribe. You don't know how to they do it. If you don't tell that you must pay. Forget to no talk not be lie. Me I don't tire for all those things so more going now. You pay house rent, you pay this one. At the end, waiting you work now, work where you work now, you know they come out. Waiting. I don't tire now. I beg, I don't tire.
My guy, you need to remember say not be bongo with you, not be bongo. Cause me tell you so me not get anybody when they say me want the control for all those kind of things.
Don't be lie, waiting me also for that one. Not to add something just something you. You understand? Not to put something just something at least +1 will be 2. You understand? So now so it will be not to your +1 join 1 maybe 2. And waiting me all see for inside now you'll be that one.
Not be say I don't understand what they clear so the issue be say you know so this thing we talk about so you know say I first can start say you know people go with down 2. It involve blood. All those blood will come say you can't involve now which blood that person will come use.
We know you do it on metal big gear. You not gear, my guy, I beg. You see what you they talk. I beg, no they talk that kind of thing. Give me I know they like that kind of thing they talk, not be loud.
How far the control how to come? Me not know anybody, I not get anybody in the road that kind issue. Do you get the control?
Get one of my girl me for call. When I go confirm from, I'll call her. Get one of my girl when I feel just put on call, just let her know say now fancy I play. If you still get idea, my girl, not the following place they look up. Any idea, anywhere we carry us go, my girl we just won't be around like that, and so it be. My guy, no be that if you touch now, my guy, if you touch now, you touch 20 meters once, my guy, no be bad thing, and so it be, no be that. I'll put down my guy on call. Maybe last year, now me go put her on call and let her know everything. And to me, I'll see for inside the down one.
No matter.
Since the time on my quest 10 o'clock. What is this? What is Zuma still do for this kind of night outside?
Hello, sweetie.
Die. Where they come from by this kind of time? 11 o'clock. Married woman. Where they come from?
Only you know say I go church now. So you don't tell me I close since. I dey help my daddy dey do something for me.
Who is daddy?
My pastor.
Iki Sabata. Anya many awe gbe tifu awunuwe. Pastor daddy. Just come back and go meet the daddy.
Never reach like that.
Which never reach like that. How many times you don't call me daddy for this house? Huh? Pastor, now you dey call daddy. How many times you don't call me daddy for? Anya me daddy awe gbe tifu awunuwe. Now me put you for us. Now me marry you. How many times you don't call me daddy for this house? If I hear that word from your mouth again, let it be first and last. I am any way bed tifa nowhere. To Remy, you will pack your belongings.
But Tony, this one never reached to recall.
Me don't tell you. If you will try him again, make sure that word again. Me will put you for us. You don't call me daddy. Oko, pastor daddy.
Give me okay, let's see.
bless you. Yeah, talk to Daddy Prophet.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Call me Daddy Prophet. Daddy Prophet. That's my name. You said what? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it is one of my friends that gave me your number. Oh. Sir, please, I really need your help. I really need your help, sir. Please, sir. Yes, going to 15 years now in Europe, sir. Sir, no husband, oh. I'm looking for husband, sir. Now, very soon I will turn monopause.
You need prayer. Leke bayaba. Kataboya leba. Katabo. You need prayer.
Yes, sir. Very soon I will turn monopause. Sir, please. Any man that just come my way, any man that come to my way will just go. They will just go. Yes, sir. I need a husband, sir. Yes, sir. Husband.
You need a husband. Husband.
Yes, sir.
Listen, my daughter. Listen. God bless you. Listen to me. You will bring goats. There's what they call in Benin adage. Say, why my way? I our son will give and give. You bring goats. You need goats.
Goat? I should bring goat? Sir, I don't want to do ritual. It's prayer that I need from you.
Why are you shouting? If you don't want it, leave it. Leave it. I'm not begging you. You said you need husband. Bring goat. Then you are shouting. Arab nonsense. Arab nonsense.
It's prayer that I need for you. From you. I need prayer from you, sir, not ritual.
Yes? Which one are you shouting? I'm not a ritualism man. I don't do ritual for people. Listen to me well. Listen. I don't do ritual. I'm a prophet. I don't do ritual. Which one is that? I ask you to bring goats, then you are telling me you don't want to do ritual. Did I tell you I'm a ritualist? I'm not a ritualism. Arab nonsense.
No, sorry, no, don't change your mind, don't change your mind. No, sir, sorry, sir, it's a slip of mouth, no teeth. Sorry, sir.
That is not only good. If you are also coming, come with 1,500 euro because we are dealing with Europe husband. I'm giving you Europe husband, not a Yahoo plus husband, not a Yahoo husband, not a wheelbarrow pusher husband, not Kekena Pe husband. This Europe husband. Packaging. I'll package Europe husband for you.
1,500, sir. What is a 500 euro? Sir, it's not ritual now. No.
I ask you to bring 1,500 euro. You are shouting. Only spirit don't work without money. And when it don't work, I have nothing. Yes. There's no. God bless you, my daughter. There's no need to shout. I'm not a ritualist and say I ask you to bring 1,500. You are telling me you don't want to do ritual. I'm not a ritual man. I'm not a ritualism man. Just only 1,500 and one goat. If native doctor that asks you to bring goat, bring fowl, bring this, bring that, you go and give native doctor. Now give it to God. I don't even eat in my house because I don't have time to eat. I only go for mountain to pray. Arab nonsense.
No, don't change your mind. Don't change your mind. I will bring it this Tuesday. I'll bring it this Tuesday. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, there's no problem. God bless you. God bless you. Holy Spirit does not work without money. Arab nonsense. You have to do it fast. God bless you.
Okay, bye, sir. This prophet safe. No ritual.
If a native doctor asks you to bring gold, you go and give native doctor gold, give him chicken, give him everything. Now I said give a man of God gold, you are shouting. Arab nonsense. Arab nonsense. Holy Spirit does not work without money. What kind of children is this? This husband we are talking about. Husband is not easy to get. Let me go home and relax. Arab nonsense. I'm putting that the prophet anyhow. That prophet when you tell me about, that's that guy on fire.
Yeah? I'm not telling you.
Oh boy, my woman go there. My woman shocked me as I come back from Roma. He say go reach name when my mama give me. He say I see your reach there. Then you put the prophet you can say make it come. he begin dey tell am as my house be. He dey tell am say even your husband, he call my name when my mama give you.